QHOHQ 2-pack hard PC case compatible with Apple Watch Series 845, Series 745 with tempered glass screen protector, full coverage, touch sensitive, ultrathin HD bumper protective cover clear. This item is sold by QHOHQ. Compatible model compatible with Apple Watch Series 845, Series 745. You will be receiving 12-piece 45 transparent hard case with tempered glass screen protector. Precise cutouts offer easy access to all the buttons. The 9 hardness tempered glass offers 99. Installation is very easy. If you do not know how to install, please watch our installation video. 99 HD clarity while protecting your screen. Touch sensitivity. The screen protector case is responsive to touch, promising touch screen accuracy of 99. Overall protection designed with 360-degree shock and drop protection. This case with tempered glass fully covers the entire front and curved edges of your watch, offering complete protection against bumps and scratches. Easy installation with snap-in design. This protective cover can be easily snapped on and off without removing the watch band. This watch protector does not support when swimming. Superior quality QHOHQ hard PC shell is ultrathin and glossy, more wear-resistant without fingerprint residue due to its electroplated metal film processing technology. 99. So it performs like your original screen and can be used while charging the watch. Hassle-free return or full refund would be provided if you're not completely satisfied. 4.5 out of 5 stars. This product has a total of 9,919 reviews. Product linked in the description below. The first review is from Alexis. 5.0 out of 5 stars. This review is from Nicole T. Haven't tested the durability, but I will update if and when it presents itself. This will give me so much peace of mind when it comes to my Series 8. This is also the first screen protector that I've purchased that didn't prevent me from fully using my touch screen. Protective. 5.0 out of 5 stars. This review is from Victor R. Great product. This review is from Victor C. Easy to install, big screen, and durable. 4.0 out of 5 stars. Looks great, works good. 5.0 out of 5 stars. I really love this case and that it protects your screen as well as the casing, but the only issue is that if you sweat or it gets wet, it gets stuck inside the case and you'll have to remove it to clean off your watch, which is kind of annoying, especially because this case snaps on and off, and if I keep doing it I feel like it will break. This review is from Richard Reimer. The touch screen does become a little less touch sensitive, but it's functional. Quality. 5.0 out of 5 stars. This review is from Palatine Ill. Looks good, is it to put on, no complaints, I'm glad I got the clear one. I've had for a year and it's perfect. 5.0 out of 5 stars. I've had this watch cover for a year and it's still perfect. There are 2 of them in a pack and I've only used one of them in the 12 months. The plastic doesn't seem to scratch and it's perfectly usable. After doing dishes I sometimes have to take the cover off and wipe the water off, but that's not all the time. Doesn't interfere with typing or touching or music or sound from the watch. Don't hesitate to buy. This review is from Cobra Soluk. Great. 5.0 out of 5 stars. This review is from Wireless Color. These are not bulky and still makes my watch look good. Recommend 100. 5.0 out of 5 stars. Easy to put on, it snaps into place so easily. Way better than the other screen protectors I also bought to compare which would be best. I got this case from my Apple Watch Series 8 and I absolutely love it. It's a great buy. This one for sure was the best one. I highly recommend. This review is from Amazon customer. Easy to have water residue. 4.0 out of 5 stars. Easy to have water residue inside when wash hands. This review is from Yetisaurus. 4.0 out of 5 stars. Probably as good as it gets for a hard screen protector, but some drawbacks. First, the pros does protect the screen and easy to put on and take off. That became really annoying visually. I also like that they included the film to peel off before putting it on your watch, so you get a nice dust-free application. For the touch screen, the corners of the hard case are thicker, so you can't touch through all the way to the edge. Now, the cons, which I think are unavoidable. The seal between the watch and the cover is not perfect, so you do get dust intrusion. Lol. I took the cover off to clean it after dust got in, and my brat dog snatched it and comped right through it, so that was the end of that one. That's not too big a deal, but it does make swiping up, down, left, or right a little trickier, because it doesn't always pick up the motion when you can't grab the far edge of the screen. Shrug. Now, unfortunately, I have 2 tiny scratches on my watch face, but I don't have the dust and annoyance of the screen swiping issue. This was a QHOHQ, so I have the other one I could put on, but given the drawbacks I mentioned above, I just didn't bother. For customers is our unchanging belief. From the brand previous page, QHOHQ was founded in 2015, committed to developing the safest screen protector and phone case. After 500 experiments and improvements by 300 researchers during this period. Finally, we have certified by SGS Rose, making it the safest, stablest, and most valuable for money product on the market. Till now, our products have escorted more than 80 million families around the world. Different from other materials on the market, QHOHQ have been optimally upgraded in terms of safety, green-friendly durability to accomplish the green and sustainable brand mission. QHOHQ screen protector and phone case are made of renewable and recyclable materials to reduce the damage to the earth. Rose Environmental Certification SG, S-Drop Light Transmission Test Certification. We care the most about you. 7x24H Professional Support, 1v1 Exclusive Aftersoles Service, 12 hassle-free replacement. Next page. Product linked in the description below. Our first question is from Amazon customer. If water gets in, are you able to remove it for drying and use it again afterwards? Yes, I have several times. Clean and snap it back on. Do you sell both in a pack? Question from Scarfist 1984. Pull up on the opposite side of the buttons. There is a little slot where it locks onto the watch. There are 1 black and 1 silver in the pack. Question from Nolfins. No, I could not. That is exactly the problem I had. Can I still slide to get other face watches? Replaced it with a separate face cover like what you put on a phone and additional bumper. Question from Scott P. Riley. What kind of warranty does it come with? None, it's going to break, that's what it's for. Question from G. How do you remove this cover? Honestly, just be brave and just pop it off. I grab the edge on the side opposite the crown near 900. Question from John Merlo. How do you take it off? I've tried, but I can't. It pops off from left to right. It should then pop off pretty easy. Question from Dur. Lift up on the left side of the watch and pull towards the dial. I've tried it 3 times in a row to make sure it was able to. How do you remove the case? Question from Victor. I ordered watch screen protector but never received it. Amazon package was given open and cases are missing. Grip and lift under the left side of case, not the side that the buttons is on. Simply contact their support department. How can I contact seller about refund? Question from Justin Odger. Will this fit a 40 form watch since the watch bands are interchangeable between the different sizes? Question from Fritzley. I have put on a 40 form Apple Watch. It is very easy, just gently pull away from the watch body on the side with no holes. How easy is it to remove? I only need a case for when I exercise, so I want to be able to take it in note quickly without damaging the watch. I do not know about putting on and off for an extended period of time, though it might become loose. Product linked in the description below. For more content like this, please subscribe and click the bell icon so you are notified of new uploads. We upload new videos every day. See you next time.